morning, ENJ Lifestyle Farm. How are you guys doing? My friend. Hello. It is Sunday. I did quite a few vlogs, but I haven't got around to edit. But I think you guys will see this one before you've seen the other ones that I did, because I went back to work and life just get busy. Moving into a new place, get in the place, work on the place, you know, doing a little refurbishing. The project start, but you know, we'll take with time. So the kitchen I'm gonna do last, so I'm still going to see some little patchy in the kitchen, but the project starts. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of clippings I will go on throughout the project, and then when the project finish, maybe do a video and show them a little space. You understand? I'm so grateful for my new home. I've downsized and I'm so feeling so happy, you know, downsizing from an early age. Sometimes in life you have to do it early so that you can enjoy certain things. You know, when life, whatever you achieve in life, if you achieve it early and can enjoy slowing down early, then do it, because that's all you can get out of life. You don't need to wait until the end to sit down and say you're downsizing or so. So if you feel like you get to 50 and you want to downsize and do different things, do it. I just did, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm in the process of refurbishing my space, and I'll show you guys snippets of the refurbishment work. But then when I finish the whole project, I'll show you guys. But the kitchen will be the last, because we're coming from upstairs to downstairs. So we're doing the bathroom, the bedroom, and all that come down the stairs, the front room, the dining side, and then the kitchen. So the kitchen is going to be the last bit. So, and then the garden. People, I'm going to show you a little bit of the garden. The garden is in a state because I was living in the other property for 20 years and 10 months. And I did accumulate a lot of stuff, and this small space cannot hold it, so most things outside I'm going to show you. Anyway, my friend, I'm going to be doing a little bit of sweeping, right? Just the kitchen area, because we're doing work over the whole place. We don't need to be sweeping, but I'm going to sweep the kitchen. So now let's just have a little look while I sweep. It's dirty because, as I said, we are doing some refurbishing in the house, and we just have to show me how to cook. I like to cook in the dirty area. So Guys, I'm gonna quickly do a little bit of cleaning. I don't know where to put stuff in. I'm looking for these teeth to clean the tool, but I don't know where they're at. So I'm just gonna have to do without it for now. What is this? This is black mold remover. This upstairs. So guys, I don't know if you remember when I purchased this 1 week, quite a while back when I lived at the old property in TK Maxx Home Sense. I'm gonna use it today. So let's unbox it. Alright. It's a little slippers that you use to clean the home. Alright, so we're gonna put this on now, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna be using some of this. I found my washcloth cleaning thing. Okay, so I'm gonna use some wiping. I'm gonna use some of this on the floor. I don't know. You see if I look a rough chop there, you can do my practice in here. Nice. So, but since we came and set it, haven't seen any. So that's how you test the new house. In the new home you test it. If you want to find out if it has mice or anything, you have to set a trap. You understand? And if you get caught mice, then you can say, yeah, there are mice. You understand? Because this is a little house that was locked up for a little while. So, need some TLC, and that's exactly what it's gonna get. You can see it already, guys. When it finish, hey, it's gonna be nice. And then rip up these tiles, you know. Yeah, because we're doing the kitchen refurbishing last. Just deal with it like this. And the washing machine is up and running. Okay, so we finish with that part. I'm going to go to the additional text there. Tomorrow is work again, guys, and life busy. I don't have to go to work, so but I go to work tomorrow, so everybody busy, you know. A good thing about these shoes is that you can have to stay in it and walk on the floor. You don't have to fret that the floor wet. use it. So now it can go on walk on and everything. Good. We're gonna give it a sweep quickly, and that's it. Sweep up the ears, because sometimes the mop collects ears. Just sweeping now. Okay. That is it. See the bottom there, clean still. Yeah. So now my friend, I'm finished. So I'm going to be doing some resetting and some cooking.